Hello guys, today I'm making aloo parathas. My husband is craving for them from a long time, so I'm making them today, but I'm making them with a different technique. Like I'm mixing half of the wheat flour and half of the all-purpose flour together. So let's see how it turns out, because I always seen people in the shops or Pakistani restaurants, they are making it with the all-purpose flour, but to be on safe side I'm mixing both so my parathas don't get ruined. So let's see. Put some Himalayan salt in it, and now I will knead it. These samosas from a bakery nearby. We're gonna have it, and then after some time we'll have dinner. Just look at this. This is so yummy. Next time I'm making it with maida and atta both. It's very good. While my baby is doing all the dusting, Minu, क्या कर रही हो आप?
साफ कर रही हूँ मारी।
चलो मामा क्या बना रही हैं?
रोटी।
कौन
आलू
सी?
रोटी।
आलू रोटी, यस।